Introducing Doosan hand pallet trucks. Doosan hand pallet trucks are designed to provide long life, dependable service with all the features of similar units at a portion of the cost. These 5,500-pound capacity machines come in four basic configurations: 20.5 by 42, 20.5 by 48, 27 by 42, and our best-selling 27 by 48 inch units. Whatever your material handling needs, Doosan has a solution. These great pallet jacks are ready to be put to work. They feature sealed and lubricated bearings to guard against failure and assure prolonged service life. Premium, high-quality polyurethane steer and load wheels to help ensure stability of loads. Frames which have reinforced welding at key stress points. Heavy-duty hydraulics with chrome-plated pistons and overload safety valves. Fully enclosed pumps with high-quality polyurethane seals to ensure stellar performance. Load-lowering valves to ensure stable, even lowering of loads. Easy pump, low-effort handles with comfortable wide grips. Nylon lead-in guide wheels with rounded and tapered fork ends to minimize damage at pallet entry and exit. All trucks meet or exceed applicable mandatory safety requirements. These units also come with a full warranty, including 2 full years on pumps, 18 months on chassis, and 12 months on axles and wheels. Doosan also stocks a complete list of almost 100 different serviceable parts to keep your units in top operating condition. Don't forget to contact us with your special order needs, like optional steer wheels and load wheels, dual load wheels, container load discounts, and more. For additional information, please see your local authorized Doosan dealer or go to doosanlift.com.